One of the remarkable things about the Karawari River Valley is not only the great number of languages there, but the traditional lifestyles that people lead. Many of the people that we met live in traditional bamboo houses. They forage for sago and they fish, and their diet comes entirely from what they can collect from the local environment or cultivate. They travel only by dugout canoe, and many of them have never traveled more than 5 or 10 miles from the place where they were born. And so people exist in very dense social networks in villages, and this has helped preserve their languages. This is all beginning to break down now as children are sent to school with children from other villages, and they get a new language ideology which tells them that their language is less valuable than Takpisin, the national language, or English. And as they bring this attitude back to the villages, we begin to see the process of language shift happening. So we visited some villages where no one under 20 spoke the traditional language. And the village elders are very worried about this, and we got a couple specific requests from the Yokoim people to help them revitalize their language. The Yokoim leaders told us that their language has never had a linguist, a specialist, come in and study their language and write a grammar or a dictionary. They also said to us that they would like to have educational materials for young children to encourage the children to speak the languages. They would like to have a storybook in the language. We met people in these communities who are language activists, who are actively working to create music and poetry and stories and art in the language. And we believe that those people are the key. If we can give them the right kind of training and equipment, they can help revitalize the language. And that's one of the things we are doing with the Enduring Voices project.